Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make vintage retro logo design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Make a circle with ellipse tool, and color it. Now make a shape with pen tool, and align it. Now make a copies anti-clockwise. Select all files, go to Pathfinder and -front. Now make a circle and convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Now go to Object and copy the circle and paste on front and resize it. Now make one more circle in it. Select stroke lines and expand it. Now align and resize inner shapes. Make a straight bar with rectangle tool, and align it. Now make a ribbon shape. Put text in it. I'm using Bleeding Cowboys font and Rio Grande bold font. Link in description. Here you go and download it. Now make a stylish line with pen tool, and expand it. Now copy a same line. Now put text in it. Group it and put texture in it. Align with background. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.